Well, there's the doggies. Well, they're just ate their breakfast after walk, but they still like to get treats. They're the doggies. So we'll go out and give them a treat. Hey, what you guys doing? Hi, Ollie. Come here, Mo. Hey, guys. Come here. Mobus, come. Good. Okay. You want treats? Okay, you gotta work for them. Ready? No. Sit. Good. Down. Good. Sit. Ready? Down. Olive, you have to... Come on, you have to do the job. Come here. No, you stinker. Okay, ready? Come here, Moby. Come closer. Come right here, sweetie. Olive, sit. Oh, that's good. Ready? Down. Good. Now sit. And down. Sit. Down. Good. Sit. Good girl. Mobus gave up, Olive. There he is. All right, here's your biscuit. Good girl. Here, Mobus. Good boy. What good doggies. They're the good biscuit-eating doggies. Olive, you gonna eat yours over there in your nice soft bed? Huh? You're a good girl. Oh my goodness. They love biscuits.